And for the record, it was awarded to CCEC as a contractor. It was awarded on the 14th of August. And I believe 14th of August was not I. It was this administration. I also went further because as we're going now, we'll be going with a white paper to show record and amount this project was awarded at the cost of 6.7 billion. And I can say boldly that no kobo is remaining. We've paid the contractor completely. The purpose of this is to let the world know that if there's one problem this administration has, is debt. Most of the projects that are being commissioned, they are coming for their balance payment, and it's running in millions and billions. I've said I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk because I am part of that system. But when you keep pushing me to talk, I will say it so that they will see the nyash of the fowl. But let us leave that one until when we are ready. We will also be ready. The small one we are doing now, they are not sleeping. I wonder what will happen when we do the big one. But let me come back to the purpose of our gathering. Our gathering here is to tell our people that their problem is our problem. What is the significance of this road? It's written there. Aleto-Ogale-Ebubu-Eteo is a bypass that if you can access because of the deplorable road, the state of the East-West Road, this road takes you off the East-West Road. And you join the section of the East-West Road that is good. It is not, is what we're doing today, is it not a help to the federal government? Is it not a show that this government has interest and has the support and is doing everything to make the federal government succeed? So when people come out and say some funny thing, I start laughing. It is not social media. We're talking about action. Genuine actions that makes positive impact in the life of our people. So I want to thank the good people of Eleme for their support in the course of this project. The contractor never complained. He got all the cooperation. And when Ambassador Ngofa was speaking, he said, at the end, we still need more. What we have done and what you have shown today is a sign that if we come back here to take any other project, we are protected. It means we can come anytime. And I can assure you that we are going to come back and do more projects for the good people of Eleme. Let me conclude by saying, I'm not a long talker. Although the few words that I will say, internet will be in trouble. You are wondering, why did I invite the governor of Abia State? I invited him because he's not an artificial integrity man. He's an action integrity man. He's not the one that they will gather to talk because they don't just want to talk. He's a man who came in the face of difficulty and challenges, just like we have here. Is making impact in the life of the Abias. You know what it means? I heard somebody saying, when we came on board, we were fighting federal government. Federal government did not use any instrument in your state to frustrate you. Our scenarios are quite different. If we are fighting federal government, it's a different matter. We're talking about federal government that is giving us support, but the rat in the house that is eating the bag of garri. So you can imagine such situation. Huh? But we have already said the attack has finished. So I will continue to identify with good governance. I will continue to identify with people who want to make impact in the life of the people. Our government, as we promise you, they want the people first. The people first. And why are we doing this? When this administration came on board, Mr. President christened his mantra, renew hope, because there was no hope. What we are doing today in this state is giving our people that hope to complement what Mr. President is doing in the sub-national. Let me, on this note, assure our good people, not just the people of Rivers State, not only my own people, Eleme, but the world. I'm not going to send any letter to international community, United Nations, OAU, ECOWAS, for any protest. The only letter I will send to them is to look at what is happening. Look at the positive impact and the peace Rivers is enjoying. That is the only message we are sending to them.